case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Snyder v. Rhoads, a 1980 case heard by the Oregon Court of Appeals, a key issue was whether a person can sue for damages if they were defrauded, even if they didn't fulfill all their obligations under the contract. The situation began when the defendant purchased 2 dry cleaning stores from the plaintiff in 1975, after being induced to buy with alleged fraudulent information. The jury found in favor of the plaintiff for the unpaid balance on the notes despite the defendant's claims of fraud. The appeals court overturned the lower court's decision, ruling that the defendant's counterclaim affirming the contract and seeking full damages for fraud was valid. The court decided that the defendant, who had operated the stores post-fraud discovery before shutting them down, waived their right to rescind the contract. Despite this, according to the court's decision, the defendant is still entitled to bring a counterclaim affirming the contract and seeking damages for fraud. On these grounds, the lower court's decision was reversed and remanded.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.